Hello, all and everybody. Today I like to explain the birds cheers and singing of the birds. Just you imagine or listen the birds sounds and cheerings and get relaxed. Get relaxed. Just 4 words, 3 words is enough. Above and below my body getting relaxed and around about my body getting relaxed with these various sounds of the birds and cheerings getting relaxed above and below around about of my body getting relaxed with the various sounds of birds around my body getting relaxed. Thank you very much watching this video. I hope you may practice bird sounds and get relaxed. Get relaxed with various sounds of the birds getting relaxed. I hope you may practice and get relaxed. Thank you very much watching this video.